railing, the fencing rollout. So here we have a railing. I'm going to pick on the railing and I'm going to come up with my parameters. And make sure you're on the Modify tab to come up with the parameters. And all the way down here is my fencing. I have really none. So therefore, I don't have any fencing. Remember, these are the posts, these are the lower rails. So when I put pickets in, a picket fence are these vertical lines here, right? And so I can choose in this case what kind I want. I'm round, and you can see now that my picket fence is round, right? And so I'll pick on this, and I can change that to square if I wanted. And so those are changing between round and square. And I can change the size of the picket fence here, and I can also, let me blow up on this a little better here. Let's go with, I can go with the extension. So I'm going to give it a 6-inch extension on my picket fence. So my picket fences are sticking up by 6 inches. So you see that once in a while on a picket fence. And then the bottom offset, if I put it with 6 inches, you'll see that it's 6 inches off the ground down here of an offset, so it doesn't go all the way to the bottom. So maybe, for example, you might want to go to like 10 inches and then have those things not go all the way down type thing. So that's called the bottom offset. Now, this is when we're choosing the pickets. If my option is to go to solid fill, I'm now putting a solid fill in between my railings and my post. And down here in my thickness, then I'm setting how thick my particular value is. So I'm going to say 1 inch, and that's a 1 inch thickness then in between. And that's a little thick considering my railings are not quite that. So now I got a 1/2 inch. I can set the offsets. So I can set the offsets, say, to 4 inches. And you can see I got a top offset. I can say I can have a bottom offset of, let's say, 8 inches. You can see it's coming off the bottom now. And I could go to the sides. I could go with my left side and my right side. I'm going to go with just say 4 inches. You can see here 4 inches here of daylight coming through. And I'll do this side as well with 4 inches. Alright, so my solid fill is on my right side 4 inches as well. And boom, now there's my sides 4 inches. The bottom is 8 inches and the top is 4 inches on these particular sides. So I could put a fill in there, some material fill, and I can right click and finish the command. So this is my fencing rollout, and I click on it. Down at the bottom is my fencing, and I get in my solid fill down here, my pickets here. If I choose none, I don't get any fencing in there, just the railings and the post.